Assalamualaikum and hello to everyone. We are students from Politeknik Kota Kinabalu and we would like to present about the effect of COVID-19 pandemic towards visit intention to Kundasang, Sabah. As an introduction, the World Health Organization WHO has established a global pandemic status for 2019 coronavirus disease COVID-19 since March 11, 2020. Next, BBC News mentioned that the tourism industry has been massively affected by the spread of coronavirus, as many countries have introduced travel restrictions in an attempt to contain its spread. They also pointed out that the COVID-19 pandemic has impacted the tourism industry due to the resulting travel restrictions as well as slump in demand among travelers. For the problem statement, Motinho noted that travel intentions depend on tourists' degree of certainty toward the destination, which is confidence generation, and on inhibitors, which may cause tourists to respond differently from what their attitudes dictate. Next, Fu, Chin, Tan, and Phua stated the COVID-19 outbreak impacted Malaysia's tourism industry significantly. Due to worries about the virus, tourists from around the world are cancelling bookings and delaying travel plans to Malaysia. As a consequence, the number of tourists has declined due to the Malaysian government imposing travel restrictions and bans. Based on Faizan Awang Mustafa and Awangku Hasan Al-Bahar Pangeran Bagul, among the identified reasons for vulnerability of the tourism sector to pandemic is due to people avoid visiting places during the pandemic and tourism destinations close their doors to arrivals. Thus, this research is to examine whether the COVID-19 affected the visit intention to Kundasang, Sabah by focusing on travel intention and travel anxiety. As you can see, this is our research objectives. And this is our research questions. For literature review, we found out there are 3 authors with their own findings about the effect of COVID-19 pandemic towards travel intention and travel anxiety. The scope of this study is the local tourists of Kundasang. These are our research framework. The effect of independent variables towards visit intention as dependent variable. This table represents the methodology of research design, population and sample, sampling, sample size, and data collection method. As you can see in this slide, we use statistical package for social sciences SPSS in analyzing the data research, sample profile and descriptive statistics mean, reliability analysis, and regression analysis for hypothesis testing. Based on this table, you can see the statistical data regarding the general characteristics of 125 respondents. The respondents mostly consist of female. Most of them are educated as STPM college and diploma, students, and Sabah residents. For travel preferences, most of the respondents will not wait for the pandemic to end within 6 months. Desired visit duration is 2 to 3 days, and the priority aspect is secure. This is a table depicting the reliability analysis of travel intention, travel anxiety, and visit intention. All of this description proved the tourists will visit Kundasang. This slide shows 0.505 as R-square and 0.496 as R-square adjusted of visit intention. This table represents data analysis and findings for hypothesis testing. The hypothesis 2 is not supported because the p-value is more than 0.5. As a conclusion, we believe that majority of the local tourists prefer to visit Kundasang within 6 months after the pandemic ends. Travel intention during the pandemic has affected the visit intention to Kundasang. Travel anxiety during the pandemic did not affect the visit intention to Kundasang. COVID-19 pandemic has affected the visit intention to Kundasang. Ministries and agencies involved in tourism development programs and training should assist tourism operators in Kundasang to maintain their services and competitiveness during this pandemic. That's all from us. Thank you for listening until the end.